Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that I've been wanting to take a look at for a while, and I've just never quite broken down and gotten one. This is the official Victorinox knife sharpener, and as you can see, it is made in Germany, I think. And so this thing has two modes or two methods to sharpen your knife with. One is you drag it along the sharpening stone at a 20-degree angle, and the other is it has like an edge sharpening thing. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it, and we'll try it out on a knife that I have that I'm going to, at some point in the not too distant future, like rescale and jazz up a bit. So let's test it out. Alright. The packaging is currently winning the battle between me and it. Alright. That should have secured victory for me. Maybe? 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 Okay, here we go. Alright. So, pretty solid little thing, first of all. And you can easily carry it in your pocket or clip it to something. And so, we got the part here for sharpening blade that way. And I'm assuming if I pull somehow here, maybe, we get the sharpening stone. So here's the question, and I've been curious about this one when I was sort of gearing up to make this video. This is a Victorinox climber that I have. I picked this one up on eBay, and it is a super inexpensive knife. And the funny thing is, it looks like it's actually still pretty sharp. Let's do a quick test. Okay, it's okay sharp, but it's not like super sharp. So let's try this out. Now, I'm going to try following the instructions on the back here. So, I pull it toward myself, and then away. I'm going to try this once, and if the noise is too unbearable, then we'll just talk about this and not subject y'all to the awful noises. So, I pull it toward me. So, like so. Seems to be about a 20-degree angle. And do I switch hands, maybe? So I'm doing it that way. So I'm going to do it this way. If I'm doing this terribly wrong, let me know in the comments. I'm kind of curious. I feel like I'm doing something incorrect. It's kind of a nifty little thing, though. So let's try the other sharpener. Well, let's see if we've had any massive progress in our couple of swipes so far. It's kind of difficult to tell if that's an improvement or not. Maybe. Let's try the other one. So, is it just me, or do you get the impression that there should be like a guard right here? I feel like my thumbs are in jeopardy. I don't know if y'all could tell or not, But each time I was going through here, it seemed like the blade is cutting this little plastic part right here. This plastic piece. Alright. So that's just a couple of swipes, and we'll see if we've got any benefit from that. Maybe a little bit sharper. Might need a little bit more work. Just to get everything fully sharpened. Kind of interesting. I'm gonna have to check and see, I think. See if I didn't horribly mangle this knife. Anyway, if I did something weird, let me know in the comments. And if you've tried one of these things and you like it or you don't like it, let me know. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.